Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. This one is going to cover South Kolkata, namely Bagajatin, Goria and Naftala areas. Starting with Jadavpur. So the starting position is going to be either Jadavpur station, or you can come directly to Santashpur Lake bus stop. You can reach over here. You can reach Santashpur Lake from Jadavpur station by auto, or from EM bypass, or from Ajaynagar. You can get autos directly to over here. So it's not a very difficult place to start. I've kept the places where you can start very easy to reach, so that you can start and end easily. So starting from here, basically you should start in the morning. Hopefully it's not very sunny, and we'll be starting at Santashpur Lake Pulli Club after reaching here. From Santashpur Lake Pulli, you can come towards Trikon Park, which is going to be around like 10 minutes of walking distance, or you can also get autos and buses, which are very frequent in that area. From there, you can take an auto to the next route. You can get a bus directly to the next route, or an auto to Shulekha More, and from Shulekha More you can reach Bahajatin More, where the next pandal is there. So the one at Bahajatin More is called Bahajatin B and C Block Durga Puja. And if you like this map, then I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can find this map and use it to your advantage. So I'm not finding words right now. I don't know what is happening. So from Bahajatin More, at Bahajatin More, you visit the Bahajatin B and C block, and from there you can get an auto or a bus towards southwards to Ramgor. This is the Raipur SC Mullik Road bus stop, and from there you'll find the Raipur Club, which is also another good one. And walking distance from there, near Patali Park, mind you, there's near Putul Park, you'll get Vaishnav Ghata Yatra Shuru Club. And after visiting Vaishnav Ghata Yatra Shuru Shango, you can get another auto or a bus and reach Kobi Nojul or Goria Bajar area. Over there you'll have a few places to visit, like Goria Mitali Shango, which is also known as Navadurga. And then head a little more south towards the insides is the Mitali Shango playground, where you'll get Goria Mitali Shango, which is also called Poncho Durga, and from there it's a walking distance to reach Goria Subhash Polli Club. Subhash Polli Club is a little further away, so if you want, you can visit it. It's usually good, but if you don't, it's totally up to you. And from there you'll head back towards Kobi Nojul metro station, Goria Bajar metro station. And in Goria there are lots of places where you can have some food, you can rest a bit, you can relax, and head towards Gitanjali metro station, which is basically just one metro stop, and it's going to cost you like 10 rupees. And it's over here you'll have two Durga Puja pandals, the biggest being Naftala Udayan Shango. Again, it's like walking distance, you don't need to get an auto or anything. It's not that difficult, not that far, but if you want, there's always auto in front of the metro station. You can get autos from here, Banti Cinema, also called Gitanjali metro station, and reach over here Naftala Youth Club bus stop. And from there you can walk towards this place, Naftala Udayan Shango Durga Puja, which is the main attraction in Naftala. And while returning, you can take a look at the Adi Naftala Sarvajatin Durga Puja as well. They usually don't make extravagantly big pandals, but sometimes they do really good work I've seen in the past. Hopefully you like this video. This is a short one, not many places, not too many places, a few of them, and totally can be covered in one day if you are willing to. That's totally up to you. Hope you like this one. Let me know if I missed any places, because I know there are a lot of pujas in Garia area, in the Goria area, and I probably didn't cover all of them. Hopefully you like this one, and leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next videos as soon as they're released. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.